The Ford Ranger with spacers are accessories for performance upgrades. Whether we are planning to use them for daily driving or off-roading, it is safe to use high-quality truck with spacers. By enlarging the track width, this Ford wheel spacer enables the tires to better grip the road surface. You'll feel more stable while cornering. This also allows you to install bigger tires and larger brakes with no rubbing issue. Proper-sized Ford Ranger with spacers are the upgrade parts that most people will use to enhance the ride stance, performance, and off-road capabilities. BONOSS with spacers are crafted from 7075-T6 and 6061-T6 aluminum alloy, ensuring exceptional strength, corrosion resistance, and lightweight properties. This high-grade material is used in aerospace and motorsports applications, making it perfect for high-performance vehicles. Unlike generic wheel spacers that may introduce vibrations, BONOSS multi-stage Hub-Centric wheel spacers feature a precisely machined center board that perfectly matches hub. BONOSS introduces a global patent active cooling design, featuring unique grooves on the back of the spacer. These grooves allow external cold airflow continuously inside the spacer when rotating, reducing heat buildup and enhancing brake cooling performance, a significant advantage for track day enthusiasts. Choosing the right wheel spacer is essential for both aesthetics and performance. By following these guidelines and opting for BONOSS multi-stage Hub-Centric spacers, you ensure a safe, vibration-free, and durable upgrade.
That's all for today's video. If you want to get this BONOSS Ford F-150 with spacers, please check the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.